Let us take example. The metric spaces, the metric spaces closed interval 0, 1 and closed interval 0, 2 with the usual metric are homeomorphic. Actually, we have to show that the metric space closed interval 0, 1 and closed interval 0, 2 with the usual metric space are homeomorphic. In this, if f of x is equal to 2x, then f is continuous function. Then f is continuous function. In previous video, we have seen definition of homeomorphism. What is that definition? Definition is f from x to y is said to be homeomorphism if f is bijective, means f is both 1, 1 and on 2. Second one is f is continuous, and third one is f inverse is also continuous. Okay. If f and f inverse satisfy these three properties, then we say that f is a homeomorphism. Okay. Solution. Here f of x is equal to 2x. First, we have to prove f is bijective. So, bijective means f is both 1, 1 and on 2. So, first we will prove f is 1, 1. Okay. If f of x is equal to f of y. What is f of x? F of x is 2x. Therefore, fy is equal to f of y is equal to 2y. Obviously, 2 get cancelled. So, here is x is equal to y. Here we have taken f of x is equal to f of y. We get x is equal to y. That's why f is 1, 1. Second, to prove f is on 2. To prove f is on 2. Okay. Here our function is from f is from closed interval 0, 1. Suppose this is a set closed interval 0, 1 and this is set closed interval 0, 2. So let y belongs to closed interval 0, 2. We know the definition of onto function. If f is a function from x to y, then f is set to onto. When we say this function f is onto, for y belongs to capital Y, there exists x belongs to capital X such that f of x is equal to y. Means for all y belongs to capital Y, there exists at least one pre-image in domain. Then we say that f is a onto function. Okay. So for y belongs to closed interval 0, 2, because f is a function from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0. There exists x, and x is nothing but y by 2 belongs to closed interval 0, 1 such that f of x is equal to 1. Why here x is equals to y by 2? Because see here f of x is equals to y. What is f of x? F of x is 2x. This is equals to y. So we will get x is equals to y by 2. And we know that elements of the type y by 2 obviously belongs to closed interval 0, 1. So here for y belongs to closed interval 0, 2, we can find x such that x is equals to y by 2 belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Therefore, such that f of x is equals to 1. Therefore, f is on 2. Okay. Next, we have to prove in third part, we have to prove that f is continuous. We have to prove that f is continuous. Okay. Again, f is a function from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0, 2 by f of x is equals to 2x. Here f is a polynomial function, and we know that f is a polynomial function, and we know that every polynomial function is continuous. Therefore, f is continuous. Or another way we can prove that f is continuous. Here f of x is equals to 2x. F of x is equals to 2 is a constant function, and f of x is equals to 2 is x is a identity function, So we know that constant function and identity function both are continuous, and also we know that product of two continuous functions is continuous. Therefore, f of x is equals to 2x is a product of f of x is equals to 2 constant function and f of x is equals to x. Therefore, f of x is equals to 2x is a continuous function. Okay. Next, we have to prove f inverse is continuous. Next, we have to prove to prove that f inverse is continuous. Define f is a function from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0, 2. So f inverse is a function from closed interval 0, 2 to closed interval 0, 1, and it is defined by f of x is equals to x by 2, because our function is f of x is equals to 2x, and its inverse function will be f of x is equals to x by 2. Clearly, F inverse is continuous because it is again a polynomial. Therefore, F is 1 1 and on 2, and F inverse is also continuous. Therefore, F is homeomorphism. F is homeomorphism. Therefore, metric spaces closed interval 0 1 and closed interval 0 2 with usual metric space are homeomorphic. Okay. This is the solution of this example. If we have asked to show that two metric spaces are homeomorphic, then we have to show that F is bijective, means F is both 1 1 and on 2. Then we have to show that F is continuous, and in last we have to show that F inverse is continuous. Okay, we will stop here. Here our third chapter is over. In next video we will start fourth chapter, compactness. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.